When you're out sketching and you don't really have a lot of time, but yet you want to participate, for example, sketch something like this, what do? Let me show you my recipe. The way I think about this is simple. I'm gonna doodle some squiggles, some lines. It doesn't have to be accurate, and I'm gonna splash a lot of vibrant colors all over it. Well, that's the basic recipe. Hopefully it will be aesthetically pleasing enough. Although it might not be accurate, it still will be considered a sketch. So these are the people I was sketching with, the weekend sketches. There were Lin Chan, there was Camila, there was Raymond, and others. It was quite fun always hang out with this group. Joyce, the organizer, wasn't there. Neither was Chingy. Anyway, back to the sketch. As you can see, there is no accuracy whatsoever. It was pretty much a doodle away, whatever. The ratios for each of the shapes was completely wrong. They were, well, it was not intentional, but I was really in a hurry. So the sketch, I would say, as long as it looks somewhat like Psychedelic Arts Center, I was going to just, accept it, basically. Sometimes we're having too much focus on accuracy that we actually don't enjoy sketching anymore. So I rather have it be having fun and ignore accuracy, as opposed to getting all the accuracy right but not having fun, right? Of course, it's always nice if you are getting the accuracy and having fun. That's the perfect combination. But that's not always possible, is it? Like I said, I didn't have a lot of time. I gave myself something like 15 minutes for the sketch. I doodle away as much as I can. I think I probably spent about 10 minutes just drawing the lines. And probably another 5-6 minutes to splash the colors. As you can see, there is no accuracy whatsoever. It was all in the name of having fun. I don't always use this recipe. Well, I don't mean that having fun is a bad recipe. I mean, if you're always having fun, that's always good. But what I'm trying to say is that this recipe of doodling and then splashing bright colors is not something that I do very often. I do it every now and then when I feel, when the mood strike, that is. I'll show you what I mean by bowl washes very, very shortly. So here we go, the completed doodle. It has somewhat the shape of Psychedelic Arts Center. If you live in Singapore, it will be somewhat familiar to Singaporeans or people who have lived in Singapore. This building is a bit odd because it has a triangular design. Right smack in a very busy street, Psychedelic, and it's kind of famous as well in some ways. Most people would know this building, right? So here we go. Bold splashes of yellow, blue, red, orange, or brown in this case, and it's without reserve. Purple even, right? Just throwing in with lots of water, and just going in as bold as I can. And trying to have as much soft edges as well, going back with big bowl washes and washing away all the edges to make it soft and diffuse all over. That's basically the idea. So as you can see, the recipe is very simple calligraphy, and then bowl washes with all soft lines, with big brushes going in with lots of energy, and then smash in and smack in more colors as you will. Really having fun and enjoy doing it, because it's just about splashes basically. I was actually enjoying this splashing, and I was having great chats with Camila, who was sitting to my left, Lin Chan to my right, and we're just having great banters. Actually, art can be fun. It doesn't have to be stressful. It can be a lot of colors, a lot of splashes, without even thinking too much. After all, the recipe has been decided. Lines and splashes. So when this is dry, I put in my name, and that's it. So I hope you will try this recipe as well. It's not something that I do very often, but It's a lot of fun. As you can see, it's all about the splashes, and there's no accuracy in anything whatsoever, but it's a lot of fun. Go try it. This is Whee Teck. I hope you stay safe wherever you are, and have fun too. Bye.